So Rackspace is the world leader in managed hosting and cloud computing. We've been around for almost 15 years now. So when I started here, we had one product and that was dedicated hosting. And over time, our portfolio has really expanded. Now we have dedicated capability, managed virtualization, a very strong and vibrant public cloud capability, as well as a private cloud capability that we can manage in Rackspace data centers or outside of Rackspace data centers based upon OpenStack. Chicago is really our first campus data center where we have multiple facilities under one umbrella campus. And so we had to be able to design a scalable network that allowed us to deploy customers among the various rooms and areas of the campus. The other thing that the Chicago data centers allowed us to do is take advantage of newer technologies around some of the Brocade switching, so the Gen 5 switching capability. It's allowed us better density and better scalability of our SAN infrastructure and fabric across our customer base. Unlike typical internal IT, we monetize our SAN. The bulk of our SAN solutions that we have are provided to customers to be able to propel their applications. So for us, it's really critical that we are able to ensure performance and availability, but at the same time, the better densities we get and the better utilization of the SAN, not just the SAN infrastructure, but the SAN fabric, it works better for Rackspace.
So with our change to the Brocade Gen 5, one of the biggest values I think to Rackspace and customers is that our customers didn't know it. We were not bumping up against limits. We were not having customers call in with concerns about performance. So we were able to kind of leapfrog a generation, get onto the newest generation hardware, and actually can deliver that same consistent experience for customers. My key is without them knowing.
One of the key elements of the Gen 5 Brocade switches that we utilize very frequently are the optical ICLs to allow us to attach high bandwidth connections between two 8510s over short or now longer distances.
To see the work that EMC and Brocade are doing in terms of development of products, integration, testing, it's really important for us in order to ensure the outcomes that we're looking for. It's great to have a fast storage area network and fast storage infrastructure, but if things not available, it doesn't do us any good, it doesn't do our customers any good. So being able to bring those to the table, sit across from Rackspace, work together on problems, continue to provide them feedback on how their products should work together in a service provider type of an environment, which is very different from a central IT environment, is critical. In addition, both those teams are very responsive to our needs, and so we're looking forward to continuing to work together as mutual partners to be able to develop a solution that benefits not just Rackspace and its customers, but other service providers and other operators at scale.